NewJeans copied Gfriend, says Belifht Lab? So, a Litz agency refutes plagiarism claims. If Belifht is a copy of NewJeans, then NewJeans is just a copy of Gfriend. So, Belifht Lab against former Adore CEO Min Hee-jin. Belifht's agency strongly rejected claims that their girl group had copied NewJeans. They argued that Min's accusations were contradictory and lacked consistency. The hearing, held at the Seoul Western District Court's 12th Civil Division, featured Belifht's legal representatives presenting materials that highlighted similarities between NewJeans and the earlier girl group Gfriend Girlfriend. They pointed to techniques and concepts such as the transition from 16:9 high definition to 4:3 low quality video formats, wide-angle shots of girls running and crossing bridges, and music videos themed around school uniforms. According to the agency, all of these were used by Gfriend 5 to 6 years before NewJeans debuted. The agency also submitted examples of advertisements and photoshoots that mirrored Gfriend's previous content. These included group photos in white outfits with dreamlike atmospheres, Hanbo-themed concept photos that Min Hee-jin had previously described as unique to NewJeans, and visual compositions shot in front of red structures with the sea and sky in the background. Belifht's representatives emphasized that these stylistic choices were not exclusive to NewJeans and had been seen earlier in Gfriend's promotional material. Just as NewJeans is not considered a copy of Gfriend, Belifht should not be called a copy of NewJeans simply because of a few overlapping elements, said Belifht's agency. Someone with as much experience in the entertainment industry as Min Hee-jin should understand that these similarities are often coincidental and not evidence of deliberate copying. During the hearing, Belifht's side addressed Min's specific claims that promotional methods such as the use of a coax outdoor screen, selfies in front of the Eiffel Tower, and group poses were imitations of NewJeans. They argued that if such reasoning were applied consistently, even NewJeans' content could be seen as derivative. "We are not saying NewJeans copied anyone else," said the agency. "We are simply pointing out that by Min Hee-jin's own logic, NewJeans could also be viewed as copying earlier idols." Belifht refutes Min Hee-jin's copycat claims, citing BTS, Jennie, aespa as counterexamples. Belifht rebuts Min Hee-jin's plagiarism claims by comparing concepts, debuts, and choreography with other K-pop acts including BTS and Blackpink's Jennie. During the session, Belifht's legal team systematically dismantled the plagiarism allegations, comparing debut strategies, aesthetics, music production methods, and choreography styles between the two groups. Min Hee-jin had previously alleged that Belifht copied NewJeans' music, visuals, and cultural aesthetics, including a Hanbo photoshoot concept. A tale of two concepts. Belifht emphasized a clear conceptual divergence from NewJeans. While NewJeans channels a Y2K retro mood with no defined narrative universe, Belifht embraces fantasy-driven, princess and magical girl themes with an expansive world-building approach. Musically, Belifht engages multiple producers and leans into pop-oriented sounds, whereas NewJeans relies on a cohesive production team. Regarding debut formats, Belifht debuted through JTBC's audition program, Are You Next?, offering extensive pre-debut exposure. Conversely, NewJeans adopted a Mystique-based rollout, withholding member identities until the surprise release of their debut music video. Debunking the Hanbo photo controversy. Min's assertion that Belifht copied NewJeans' Hanbo photoshoot was also challenged. Bellicht's team pointed to numerous K-pop idols who have historically worn Hanbo in palatial settings, questioning Min's claim of originality. This claim is baseless and ignores the genre's visual traditions, their statement noted. Choreography not exclusive to NewJeans. Bellicht's defense further addressed accusations regarding choreography. They argued that the moves in question, such as hair whips, arm rolls, and sitting poses, were widely used across K-pop, citing performances by BTS, aespa, IVE, ITZY, G-Dragon, Jennie, and others. These motions are public domain and should not be monopolized, the group asserted. They warned that allowing exclusive claims over such universal moves would set a damaging precedent for creativity and fair competition in K-pop choreography. Broader legal implications. This case is intricately connected to Min Hee-jin's broader conflict with HYBE. She previously accused HYBE of suppressing NewJeans' promotion in favor of La SSERAFIM and denounced ILLIT for copying NewJeans. In response, Source Music La SSERAFIM's label sued Min for 500 million won, while Belifht Lab ILLIT's label sought 2 billion won in damages for reputational harm. So what do you think of this?